we have a puzzle with 3 pieces. The first is a block of wood, very solid, quite heavy, and with a hole running right through the middle. Second thing is a frame, also solid, also wood, and also with a hole running through the middle. Now the reason for all these holes is the third piece, which is this red satin ribbon. I'm going to take one end of the ribbon through the block. And these holes happen to match up with the holes in the frame, so I will take this end of the ribbon through that side of the frame. And I will do the exact same thing on the other side, from that hole in the block through that hole in the frame. This is as fair as can be. Ribbon through the frame, through the block. Everything is connected. Yet, if we take that block into the frame, now that allows the ribbon to run quite freely. Still, everything connected. In fact, if there was people up here helping out, as if this was on stage, they'd be able to see right through and verify that that is a solid wooden block, that this is a solid ribbon. In fact, I would even have them hold on to each end of the ribbon. Someone over here would hold on to that end, someone over here would hold on to that end, making sure that that ribbon isn't going to go anywhere. But watch. Here's the puzzle. Solid ribbon, solid frame, solid block. Just as solid. Just as solid. And still, the ribbon runs through.